Hey everybody, this is Chris at SLE Equipment here in Nashville, Tennessee. I have here a 8.5 by 20 foot stage trailer with a 50 amp package, electrical package. Sitting on top of two 7,000 pound axles. Behind this fitting right here is your grease nipple for your axles. Just hook a grease gun up to that, pump that full of grease. That'll help with the maintenance of the trailer. Come around back here, have a rear drop door, ran with cables. Upon entering the trailer, set up with a stage and a retractable awning, and the crane there is to lift the stage, which I'll demonstrate here in a minute. It does come with stairs for the outside of the stage. There's your fuse panel box. This is your switch to retract the awning. Okay. Does have LED lighting, multiple outlets to plug into, along with a additional outside plug. Does come with a gap filler right here. So when putting the trailer up, make sure you pull that out before you pull the stage up. Okay. Crane's pretty simple. You have up and down. Pretty simple. When not in use, it can be unplugged. You just tug on that right there and you can store it. Okay. This railing does retract. Loosen this hardware right here, and these fold in. It does come with speed jacks underneath and a speed jack handle. It's for leveling purposes. It's pretty. All right. Close your stage trailer up. All right. First off, you're gonna come over here. Make sure you pull out this gap filler right here. Come over here, take your hardware out. Make sure you latch your gate. Come over here, get the second piece of hardware. Kind of a two-hand job, so. So this comes down like that. Okay. Alright, come over here to your crane. Bring you some slack. Come over here, grab your hook. Oh, dang. Just barely. Okay, come over here. Match that around that D-ring right there. Okay. Got tension. So I like to stop right about there. Grab your speed jack. Come around to the front. Alright, once you got your jacks all the way up, you come over here. I did number them. I gave you a little arrow to indicate which way they need to go. It just makes it easier when you go to jack them up. Pull this pin. Again, kind of a two-hand job. Push that pin through. See if I can film this and do this at the same time. Okay, boom, take the rest off. Alright, you got all your speed jacks off. You're gonna come back inside your trailer. Come up here, grab your handle. And there you go. Okay. Come around here. Okay. There you go. That. Two lights means it's good. Two lights. Two lights. Two lights. Two lights. There you go. If you or anyone you know wants a trailer built the same way, we're SLE Equipment located here in Nashville, Tennessee. Go ahead and give us a call at 615-641-7720. Again, that's 615-641-7720.